I am a scholarship holder under Jabatan Perkhidmatan Awam and currently undertaking engineering in France. So today I will be breaking down on what scholarship bodies are looking for. So let's get into it. First and foremost, I was given the chance to be interviewed by both Mara and GPA, and what I can roughly say is to make sure you have a good amount of general knowledge. For me, because I was being interviewed by Mara and GPA, so I really searched up beforehand about the company. And then because I wanted to take economics, firstly, I read up a lot about economics through newspapers. So by doing this, I actually get a better grasp of the major that I want to pursue, and it will make you look very professional and you know your things when you are being interviewed by the interviewers. So I would really suggest you to read up on latest news, be up to date. That's the keyword, be up to date. So you can do this by just searching it up online. There's FMT, Free Malaysia Today. You can read up about current issues on that platform because it's free. You don't have to be subscribed to their newsletters. So what can I say? Firstly is to be up to date. Know about your major, know about what you want to pursue in the near future, and also be up to date about the current issues, because most probably the interview questions will be based on the current issues that are happening in Malaysia normally. So second of all, I think that they really want to see how mature you are. So upon arriving on the interview place, so we can see that there are a lot of people who wear different types of clothing. And what I want to say, if the scholarship body doesn't decide on a dress code, please wear as mature, as tidy, and as clean as possible, because first impression matters. So if they don't decide on a dress code, just wear your blazer, your slacks, your white shirt, and just make sure that everything about you is neat and tidy and you're all set. Second of all is how you act in the meeting room. So when you're in the meeting room, make sure you sit appropriately. Don't spread your legs, be too relaxed. Just stand up, just sit tall, and just don't be too laid back. You can be relaxed, but don't make it too much so that the interviewers don't think that you're slacking off. And always try to portray how mature you are. I think that really intrigues the interviewer. I would say during both of my interviews, because I read up a lot about the current issues at the moment, like the OPR, food shortage, and so on. So there was a time where the interviewer actually took note of what I was saying because he didn't know about it. I was talking about Notion site and how it is currently uprising in the younger generation right now, and how it is very simple to do tasks on it. So he didn't know about it and he jotted it down, and I think that was the point that I thought like, oh, he's very intrigued and he's very interested in what I am saying. So yeah, I think be mature, be up to date, know your things, know what you want to do in the near future. If you want to take A-levels, then what are the steps to take A-levels and what are the levels of A-levels? I would say that. Yeah, so I think that's all. There's not really much to it. Just act professional, mature, and know your stuff, and be confident. Just be confident. If you have any ideas, throw it out and don't overshadow others. You can be confident, but don't overshadow others, because they want to see how you work in a group setting, because there will be group interviews. So I think that is all. I wish the best of luck for those who are going to embark on their scholarship journey, and yeah, bye.